Hello everyone, I'm Toby Fischer. I'm an assistant professor at the QUT Centre for Robotics in Brisbane, Australia. And today I'm going to pitch to you three different topics, if that's going to work. And it was a beautiful segue just previously. So my main area of research is around novel sensing and processing devices. So in particular, I look at event cameras and spiking neural networks as means of providing low latency and energy efficient algorithms to size, weight, and power constrained robotic platforms, just like the hexapod that you can see there in the middle. And we recently have some really cool work where we deploy a fully neuromorphic system on one of those robotic devices and deploy it out in the wild for robot localization and visual place recognition, which I guess is my main area of research. My other area of research that I just recently got into is around underwater perception and reef restoration. I want to call out my collaborators here, Scarlett Rain and Beverly Gorey. And what I'm particularly proud of there is a real-world field deployment with the Australian Institute for Marine Science, where we deploy little coral devices that have literally new coral, and we find a suitable substrate for those devices to be planted up on in the Great Barrier Reef to help a little bit with climate change. And we can also look at change detection of the coral over time in subsequent times. Now here, in the last couple of seconds, my big hobby project, which is RoboStack. So if you ever want to get Ross to work on whatever laptop you currently have in your hand, or even on your mobile phone, which I'm going to present at ICRA, go for it. So the last pitch around the future of robotics, or the future of the tiny part of robotics that I do, is that neuromorphic computing brings intelligent robots where GPUs can't go, from underwater reef restoration to remote infrastructure monitoring. Thanks very much.